Hello, my name's Tosin. I'm from New Zealand in the UK, and I'm on the Politics and International Relations track here at YCA.
Hello, my name is Lucia, and I am from Colombia and Mexico, and I am in the Economics and Management track.
Hi people, my name is Ding Junqi. I'm from Shanghai, China. I'm on the economics and management track. Today we're visiting the Zeekr company of China, and I wonder how do you like China's approach to the electric vehicles and the green energy industry?
From today, I've learned two amazing things. Firstly, China's commitment to sustainable development and green energy. Looking around today, I've seen how committed China is to increasing the usage of electric vehicles and its commitment to using 5G technology and other high technology and artificial intelligence technology to improve sustainable development. Looking around, I see commitment to green energy and the reduction of carbon output, which I found really interesting.
Yeah, I think it's amazing. Honestly, I'm so impressed about automation technologies because they're very efficient and they also are very well integrated with human labor as well. So it's kind of like you can see cooperation between humans and technology here. Additionally, I think it's so amazing how integrated the whole supply chain works because you can see the manufacturing, integration, and services providing all in the same place in cooperation with other companies that provide kind of like an integrated ecosystem to the customers. Additionally, the cars are very nice. I really like the colors. I think if I was able to buy a car, I would buy a car from here.
Okay, thank you both for your answers. Personally, I really like China's approach to the industry and green energy. Because as we can see from today's visit to Zeekr company, China's industry, electric vehicle industry is already well developed and advanced. And also as the world's biggest manufacturer and seller of electric vehicles, China has also carried out a lot of relevant policies to help develop the electric vehicle industry. So generally, I think the entire industry is definitely going in the right direction as the encouragement of green energy will definitely help boost the development of electric vehicle. And the success of electric vehicle in China will in turn require an even larger application of green energy. So I think I really like China's approach, and I think it's definitely going in the right direction. And the second thing that I really want to know is how do you see your country? Do you see the electric vehicles in your country getting more and more popular, and why is that?
I think something that I've recently learned is that not only electric vehicles in China are produced in significant quantities, but they're also popular amongst customers because there are a lot of incentives to use greener options by the government and by society. And I think countries like Colombia or Mexico are not used to this culture of electric vehicles. And I think we could learn from that culture of being incentivized to use greener options that in a way become a trend. So I think in my country, there is definitely the technology and the potential. But what is still an area of opportunity, I would say, is to make it a popular trend and a popular kind of habit or practice among society.
Where I live, which is London, I definitely see an increase in the use of electric vehicles. However, I think the most interesting thing about being here in China is that it doesn't compare to China at all. And yeah, I think that is definitely to do with China's commitment to innovation, the use of AI and automation to increase electric vehicles and the use of innovative methods to commit to green energy.
Okay, thank you both for sharing. I think here in China, I can definitely see the entire electric vehicle growing more and more popular in the future, because the first reason is that definitely people's awareness of environmental protection is definitely growing. And I think electric vehicle is definitely a great option because it is really environmental friendly. And the second reason is that it's really getting cheaper and cheaper here in China to purchase electric vehicles because, as I said before, China has also carried a lot of relevant policies, like we pay less tax to purchase them. And also the cost of electric vehicles is definitely going down due to the implication of green energy and green technology. And I think there's another reason. China is like a very large electric vehicle market. So I think a lot of car manufacturers are trying to get a share, which will actually provide more options for people to choose from when it comes to purchasing electric vehicles. And that's today's interview. Thank you. Bye. Yeah.